Pfizer's commitment to manufacturing excellence extends beyond quality injectables to important innovations like our proprietary ACT-O-VIAL technology. The ACT-O-VIAL is a dual-compartment vial system that allows for sterile reconstitution of a drug for injection by pressing on the plastic activator and following a few steps. The upper chamber of the ACT-O-VIAL contains a diluent for reconstitution, and the lower chamber holds a sterile powder. This dual-chamber design offers users the convenience of handling only one vial for delivery of a sterile drug. With the ACT-O-VIAL system, the steps are easy to follow. Step 1. Press down on plastic activator to force diluent into the lower compartment. Step 2. Gently agitate to affect solution. Step 3. Remove plastic tab covering center of stopper. Step 4. Sterilize top of stopper with a suitable germicide. Step 5. Insert needle squarely through center of stopper until tip is just visible. Invert vial and withdraw dose. This ACT-O-VIAL technology is intended to provide a convenient, one-piece design with two chambers to hold water for injection and lyophilized drug product. Pfizer's unique ACT-O-VIAL technology provides physicians with drug preparation options. If you have any questions about the ACT-O-VIAL system, please contact your Pfizer sales representative.